What's up you guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to get your Roblox user ID on mobile, on your iPhone or on your Android device, and the process is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And first you're gonna know that Roblox user ID is a unique combination of numbers that is unique for each account, and it can be changed unless you create new account. So you can share user ID to your friends to make them easily find you. And to find your Roblox user ID you need to do the following. So first you're gonna know you can do that in mobile applications, so you need to go into your browser and log into Roblox in there. So I find Roblox website, and instead of continue in app I need to tap on continue in browser right there and go through the login process. I did it before, so now I'm logged in, and next I'm gonna do, I need to tap there on my profile icon, and after that tap on address bar right there, and here I can see some numbers, and that numbers is my user ID on Roblox. So I can copy them and then share to any person I want. I hope this video helped you out, so before you go, please like and subscribe.